Hello everybody and welcome back to another Stacy Cakes creation. Today I am making this beautiful moon cake. Now I'm starting off making the inside of my cake look like space itself. I have a whole other tutorial for this, including a mirror glaze, so I will put that link in the description. Mostly I'm just showing what the cake looks like today. I'm using my ball tool and a paintbrush with some white food coloring to make my moon look super realistic. Putting some scratches in, making it look like the moon. And this is my honeycomb recipe that I added black food coloring to. That recipe is in the same video that I'm going to put a link for. And I'm smashing it up and I'm making some little moon rocks. So now we're stacking up our space cake, and I covered it in black buttercream, and then I'm using a mixture of white, blue, purple, and pink to give my cake that beautiful space look. You just put it on and scrape it off, and it leaves this gorgeous space colored pattern. And then I'm going to spray the cake with some white food coloring and vodka, and just using a paintbrush to get that splatter effect, and it looks like a whole bunch of stars. Adding on my fondant moon, and then I'm making it look like the moon is a reflection in the water with just some more of that white food coloring and vodka mixture. So I'm using candy melts to make these trees, or you could use tempered chocolate, just make sure it's in temper. Sticking them in, and then I'm going to also make those look like little reflections. I was trying to channel a Bob Ross painting here. Smear it a little bit so it looks like it's a reflection in the water. Add my moon rocks to the top, and there it is. It's really a very quick and simple cake, and I think it just looks so beautiful. So I hope you'll try it, and I'll put links to all those recipes in my description. I hope you try it, and if you do, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.